Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's solve a very nice and easy question. So we have given 60 to the power 60 divided by 30 to the power 30. We have to find the value of this. Okay, so how do we solve? We will apply a law, that is a raised to the power m plus n. Then I can write it as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. Okay. So first I can write 60 to the power 30 plus 30. Okay. Divide by 30 to the power 30. Okay. Now we'll apply this law. So it will be 60 to the power 30 into 60 to the power 30 whole divided by 30 to the power 30. Okay. Now this can be written as 60 to the power 30 into 60 to the power 30 divided by 30 to the power 30. Okay. Now 60 to the power 30 into, I can write this as 60 divided by 30 whole to the power 30. Okay. Now this 0 will cancel with this and 3 2s are 6. So 60 to the power 30 into 2 to the power 30, which means 60 into 2 is 120 whole to the power 30, and this is our answer. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.